How to post on Reddit. For that, first of all, you need to open up Reddit, and after that, make sure that you're logged in with your account. Once you're logged in and navigate to the top right corner, there is a create button. Tap on it or click on it. After that, you will get to create post page where you can create any post in Reddit. So first of all, you have to select a community where you would like to post to. Click on it, and after that, select your community. After that, if you navigate here, you can add title to your post. You can add text, you can add images and video, link or poll. So choose according to your preferences. Once you are done typing in your title, navigate to this body part where you can add your post right here. You can edit this word, you can make it bold, italic, or many more options from this menu bar. After you're done, you can simply click on this post button to post it on Reddit, or if you like to save it as a draft, click on save draft. Now if you want to post this, click on this post button, and there you go, you have posted on Reddit. So that's how you can post on Reddit, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.